brought this one from Sacramento.
And it takes about a week to deliver to Houston.
It's quite a haul. Now, people don't pay attention and they don't realize how long this thing is. You know, these trains are really long. So you got to watch people in all lanes. I mean, we're covering every lane. It's nice to have Metro PD helping us out.
It's a team effort. It includes the MPD, Transportation Department, Light Rail Maintenance Department, which is my department, the vendor, which is Siemens. We all work together to deliver this vehicle safely.